The theme of the lesson: making connections in biology. Learning objectives. Skim a range of lengthy texts with speed to identify content meriting closer reading on a range of more complex and abstract, general and curricula. Use a wide range of vocabulary which is appropriate to topic and genre and which is spelled accurately. Assessment criteria. Learners will be able to talk about outstanding scientists in biology and their contributions to the science. Learners also will study other important discoveries in the field of biology. Let's make journey to biological understanding. Listen and repeat. Clone, crystallography, domain, evolution, fertilization, genome, helix, inheritance, pasteurization, taxonomy, transfusion, adhesive, sutures. Let's answer the following questions before reading. What important discoveries do you know in the sphere of biology? Great! Do you know any scientists in this sphere? Super! Do you read any scientific books connected with biology? Well done! Thanks! Now let's do task 1. You can do this task in prayer. The question is, what are they famous for? Match these discoveries to the scientists. Find the winners of Nobel Prize among them. For example, Aristotle, classification of living things, 1F. And what about the others? So I'll give you a minute to match them. Have you done the task? Well done. Now let's listen and check up your answers. 2E. Charles Darwin, Theory of Evolution. 3D. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, Microbiology. 4A. Gregor Mendel, Modern Genetics. 5B. Crick and Watson, Structure of DNA. 6C. Wilmot and Campbell, Cloning a Mammal. 7G. Barbara McClintock, Jumping Genes. So, you should find out the winners of Nobel Prize among them. It's for you to do and at the next lesson you'll tell your teachers. These outstanding people played an important role in the science, contributing their best in the sphere of biology. Okay, task 2. Complete the timeline. There are given short texts about these outstanding people and about their works. So the task is fill in the missing words with this list of words. So I'll give you a minute to do this task. Now children, if you have done this task, let's listen and check up. 347 BCE, Aristotle began to classify living things into different groups and is recognized today as the father of, taxonomy. 1859, Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin published the theory of evolution, which states that humans evolved over a period of time from simpler life forms. 1862, Louis Pasteur invented the process of pasteurization. This process kills bacteria and helps us to give beverages a long shelf life. 1865, Gregor Mendel published his work on Mendelian inheritance. He performed experiments on pea plants that show how genes are inherited and expressed. 1900, Karl Landsteiner discovered blood types. This helps us make sure that a person who needs blood transfusion receives compatible blood. 1951, Rosalind Franklin captured photographs of DNA using X-ray crystallography, giving us clues about its double helix structures. 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick published their findings on the structure of DNA using the work of Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins. 1977, a microbiologist called Carl Lewis discovered a new domain of life called archaea. 1978, the world's first tube baby was born. She was conceived via in vitro fertilization. Dolly the sheep was the world's first clone, produced from an adult cell in 1996. 2003, the Human Genome Project was completed. This project succeeded in sequencing the entire genetic code of humans. Are your answers correct? Yes, you did it. Over to you. Put the events in the timeline in order of importance. Explain Why? Tell the class. Talk about important discoveries in biology. For your information, did you know? Scientists at the National Center for Biotechnology have developed a pioneering biological adhesive which could reduce the need for surgical sutures and could help patients to heal quickly and safely. Dear students, today you have learned a lot about outstanding scientists in biology and their contributions to the science. You'll learn more details about them at the following lessons. Your learning task: add some other important discoveries in the field of biology. Present them to the class. The lesson is over. You did a good job. Goodbye.